Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today I'm going to be talking to you about traveling Amtrak. So, if you want to know more about this, just in front of the Amtrak station, and I wanted to come out here so that you could take a look at their station from the outside. Last time I did a video on Brightline, which is now Virgin Train, and I showed you how that station looked. I want you to take a look at this station. These stations are both in Miami, and of course this is an older station. The lady that checked our luggage was super nice and very helpful. And also, they do have special services for people who have limited mobility, and since I'm going to be traveling with my mother, she has limited mobility, so she doesn't have to wait in line, and they take her in a little golf cart to board the train. So I thought that was nice. Let me give you some facts from Amtrak. Okay, I found that it is a national rail operator which connects America in a safer, greener, and healthier way. I guess that they're comparing it to airplanes. And it has 21,000 miles in terms of the routes, and it's available in 46 states, District of Columbia, and 3 Canadian provinces. Oh, I didn't know that. How cool. That means I can actually go to Canada on the train. Can you imagine? I wonder how long it would take from Miami to get to Canada. Interesting facts. We're going to do a little tour of the train. No, there's more. Okay. He thinks it's only one car. I think they call it a caboose. All right. You have to go through here. All right, push to open. This is a little scary. And he wants me to go first. Okay, look at it. It's moving around. And I have to go first. That's not fun. That's not fun. I'm not having fun. I'm very nervous. Okay, I'm too nervous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a little scary. We made it. Okay, now we're going again. I feel a little less nervous. Reminds me of cowboy movies and the people fighting on the train. It still makes me nervous. This is worse than escalators.
That's what I was saying. You must mean when you go to school.
Excuse me.
You almost there. Oh, you looking at the menu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm becoming an expert. I'm becoming an expert. Okay, so this is the area where people can like sit and hang out?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the hanging out area. Not bad. You can play cards. You can play cards and you can play dominoes. Right? And then this is like the little, like the bar type of thing where you get snacks.
I'm gonna take some of your ice.
Nice. I like it.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing? Hi. And this is the other escaping area. And that's somebody's hat. I want to wear it. Is that your hat?
No, the conductor's back there.
That's the conductor's? Oh, I want to take the conductor's hat and take a picture. I'm sure be ready. I don't know. We're wondering if my mom fell asleep at this point. But anyway, I have to tell you, everybody who works here is super nice. So yeah, the train is not like bright line in terms of being modern, new, and stuff. But it's nice. People are nice. And did you know that the train goes up to 150 miles an hour? I think that's really
Okay, Eric, you hear that train? Do you hear the horn? That is for my friend Eric. This is a shout out for him, and go check out his channel.
One of the things that I can't get used to on a train is that you don't have to wear seatbelts. It's like you have to wear them in a car, in a plane, but you don't have to wear them on a train. I don't know why. One of the things that you have to prepare for where you're on a 5-hour train ride is what you're going to eat. So what I did is that I went ahead and I brought all of my food that I could eat, and I packed it up, and I'm saving money, plus I am eating things that I can eat that are healthy for me, or at least that are not that high in calories. So I am on the Silver Star 91, and this is a famous train because it was actually in 2 different movies. It was in Carlito's Way, and it was also in Tim Dorsey's The Stingray Shuffle. So it's a famous train. I know that it's a nice train because the people who work on this train are super nice. Let me see if I can give you some more facts. I'm going from Miami. Actually, I'm coming from Tampa to Miami, and I think those are like 8 stops. They're very cute stops. I've noticed that the cities, there's train stations are really, really cute. Let me mention some of them if I can go over here. Okay, we have Miami, we have Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, Deerfield, Sebring, West Palm Beach, Okeechobee, Winter Haven, not in that order. But it's a lot of fun to ride a train. I think everybody needs to ride a train at least once. And I love the way they do it because if you're in a family or if you're riding in a group of maybe more than 2 people, they designate a train. They kind of have it organized. So you have a caboose rather, where families and groups are so that you can all sit together. I think it's really nice. I think it's something everybody needs to do. All right, so this is one of the sleepers, and the lady, the conductor, was nice enough to show it to me. I guess this is a fold-down chair over here. You have a bathroom in here with a shower. Very nice. You have, I guess that's your bed that comes down. Let me move back. That's the bed that you bring down, and I think this turns into another sleeping area. This is really cool. I like this. Over here they have more storage area on the top and more storage area over there, and you have your trash can over here. This is really, really cool. Yep, more storage area in here. This is great for long trips. And this is the little passageway. So the conductor was kind enough to show me this. I am in front of the Amtrak station in Tampa. This is a beautiful station. It is a historic building. It has a historic marker up front that I'm going to try and take a picture of. But even if I don't, let me tell you a little bit about it. This is from 1919. 1919. And it was originally not called Amtrak. The rail service was not called Amtrak. It came together through an act that was written by President Nixon, and then I guess they unified all the rail stations, all the railroad services, and they also started receiving subsidies from the government because there was a time where I guess transportation changed and people started taking cars, planes, But some people wanted to save the railroad stations and the trains, and I'm glad that they did. I am on the outside of the waiting station. That's inside the station right behind me. That's where I was before. And now I'm in the outside of the station. I guess this is where people wait who don't want to be in the air conditioning. I don't know. What they did do is that they have a fence on this area that you're not allowed to pass through unless you have a ticket, and I suppose they only open up this area once the train gets here. So they have it pretty well organized, and I like the idea that you're allowed to wait either outside or inside, because you can feel a little cooped up. At least I do when I'm inside. And then let me show you, they have these little shopping carts. So if you have luggage that you need to carry around, it's too heavy for you, you could always use the shopping cart. And they also have little carts, buggies, or golf carts that are available for people that need help because of somewhat limited mobility. So you could always come earlier and advise them at the ticketing and baggage checkout that you need some help with your mobility, and they'll go ahead and they'll take you, and they also give you seating preference. Okay, we got home and we're being given a ride to pick up our things, so all is good.
We're finally home. I am exhausted, but I think it was a great experience, and I really, really suggest that everybody take one train trip at least and research the train you're on and the history of train travel. I think you'll probably enjoy it as much as I did, because I did enjoy it. I really liked it, and I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe, but more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love,
action, fun, and back to lockdown.